That's too high, Maddie. Lower it.
I'm done. I'm done with this.
Let me see your face. Let me see your face. Maddie, let me see your face. Okay, let me see. Let me take a picture of you. Maddie, let me take a picture of you. Madison. Look at me. Say cheese. Don't put your finger in there. Say cheese.
This.
Close your lips like this. Look. Maddie, go like this.
Geico. 15 minutes could save you 15% or more on car insurance.
Look at my lips.
What? Okay, give me my lipstick now.
What's this?
We're gonna paint your nails.
Okay.